Hello everyone. Have you ever heard about international trade in logistics? I will explain to you guys about it, but before that, I will explain to you guys what is logistics and supply chain management. So, what is logistics? Logistics refers to what happens within one company, including the purchase and delivery of raw materials, packaging, shipment, and transportation of goods to distributors. Logistic components include inbound and outbound transportation, fleet management, warehousing, materials handling, and inventory management. So, why logistics is important? It controls the effective forward and reverse flow of goods and services origin to recipient. This means that logistics has an impact on the shipment of goods and how quickly they can get to the consumer, again, adding a competitive edge to other businesses. Moving to the next part, which is supply chain management. So, supply chain management enables goods and services from the source to the consumer around the world. It deals with the process of managing the flow of goods, services, finance, and knowledge, along with relationships within and among organizations. Below is the flow of the supply chain, which is we got supplier, procurement, manufacturer, product, inventory, distribution, logistics, retail, and customer. Moving to the next part, which is international trade. What is international trade? The economic transactions that are made between countries. Besides, trading globally gives consumers and countries the opportunity to be exposed to goods and services that are not available in their own countries. Almost every kind of product can be found on the international market. Examples like clothes, oil, markets, and spare parts. Besides, services are also traded in the international trade, like tourism and transportation. So let's see the benefits of international trade. We got consumption at lower price, reduces trade fluctuation, greater variety of goods, more jobs, promotes efficiency in production, better utilization of resources, and fosters peace and goodwill. Let's see the video explaining about why do international trade happen.
Countries engage in international trade based on the logical saying of no man is an island. Countries trade to benefit from interacting with other countries. Countries in isolation have to contend with being self-sufficient and having a lesser variety of goods. With international exchanges of goods and services, countries get to enjoy a wider variety of goods that may offer better quality. Besides that, the key reason for trade is that by trading goods, countries can afford to specialize in producing only some items that they're relatively better at producing. Trade means each country does not need to produce everything, but just focus its scarce resources on what it produces more efficiently, or what it has a comparative advantage in. The country hence focuses all its resources in what it's best at producing, mass producing for the whole world, and exchanging these for what it's not so great at producing. On a global scale, this means that the world becomes a global production hub, with each country specializing in producing what it's best at. The world's scarce resources are hence put to their best use for all our wants, allowing more to be produced and hence consumed globally. This is the main advantage of trade that is spelt out in the law of comparative advantage. Plus, with mass production, there are cost savings as firms benefit from bulk purchases and specialized manpower, or known as economies of scale. So international trade really is a big step forward for the world in increasing its efficiency. That's why we have countries signing trade deals to foster more cross-border transactions that tap on each other's resources.
Moving on to the next part, which is transportation in international trade. Transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. The action of transport is defined as a particular movement of an organism or thing from a point A to a point B. Let's see the modes of transportation used in the international trade. Firstly, we got road. It can be the most flexible option for international businesses. It is usually quick and efficient, low at cost, possibility to schedule transport and tracking the location of goods, safe and private delivery. Second, we got sea. If the business needs to transport large quantities, but there is no pressure to deliver quickly, shipping by sea may be suitable. Possibility to ship large volumes at low cost. Shipping containers can also be used for further transportation by road or rail. Third, we got air. It offers numerous advantages for international trade depending on the requirements. It delivers items quickly over long distances, give high levels of security for sensitive items, be used for a wide range of goods. Lastly, we got rail. Rail transport is a cost-effective and efficient way to move goods. It is environmentally friendly compared with other transport systems. And the last part is documentation. In documentation, I will choose bill of lading. So, what is bill of lading? A bill of lading is the most important document used in global trade. When goods have been shipped, the carrier will issue a bill lading to the shipper of the cargo. This legal document acts as evidence of contract of carriage, receipt of goods and document title to the goods. The holder of the bill lading has the legal rights to claim the goods or to arrange transfer of ownership to another party. How the process works. When goods have been shipped, the carrier will issue a set of originals of the bill lading to the shipper. The shipper will retain ownership of the cargo until they surrender the bill of lading. When the shipper's terms are met, the shipper will surrender the bill lading to the carrier. The carrier will then issue an express release or telex release copy of the bill lading. This will allow the consignee to arrange the customs clearance in the country of import. The shipper will send a copy of the bill lading and other shipping documents to the consignee before the vessel arrives. The consignee will use this set of shipping documents to arrange customs clearance and final delivery. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye.